Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, it's gonna be a huge Target haul. So I went to Target, I would say 2 to 3 times, because I didn't just buy this on one visit. So yeah, and I just combined everything in here so I don't have to go through every bags. So anyways, let's just start because I have a lot here. Alright, so first thing I see here, I got this yesterday. So this is the Emma Chamberlain. I don't know how to pronounce her name. I mean her last name. So Emma Chamberlain. I don't know. So this is her planner, and I saw it on TikTok, her TikTok video. I'm just like, wait, she have a planner. So I went yesterday night. Well, the purpose of me going there is to get this organic tampons. So I like using this organic ones, you guys. For some reason I'm irregular, and now I have been getting my period monthly. Weird, but yeah, because I'm normally irregular. Like I would get my period like every 4 to 6 months, but yeah, last couple of months I've been having it regularly. So I got the tampons, and I got the large one because my thing is heavy. So I believe this is like $6.99. I don't have the receipt, but I think they're like $6.99. All right, so next one is this planner, and I'm planning to use this next year, 2020, because I still have my planner here, the 2020 planner that I got from, I would say, I don't know if I got it at Target or Walmart. I'm not quite sure, but I feel like 100% at Walmart. So this one is gonna be for next year, and it's really heavy and huge, regular than my other planner. See like the difference? So yeah, this is gonna be for next year, and they were 30% off. So the regular price is $29.99, which is like $30, but I paid $20 for this one. So yeah, just get that aside. All right, next one here is I did get some masks, like face masks. The 2 black one, the reusable one, but I've been using it, so I have to, how do you call it, I have to wash them, like hand wash them. So I just got the black one. And then okay, next one is, oh my god, you guys, I know the vlog that I'm gonna be uploading, I think I'm gonna upload it tonight or today. You saw me just I did like a quick haul as well from Target, and I restocked on this Olay rinse off body conditioner. So I got 2 of these body conditioner. Oh my god, this will leave your skin really soft, like it's like a lotion while you're in the shower. So yeah, this is the rinse off body conditioner. I got the one with coconut oil and shea butter, and I also like the Olay body wash. Oh my god, it smells really good. I think I got the one with the hyaluronic acid. I'm gonna leave the vlog that I also went, I did like a little haul in somewhere in the screen or in the description box below. But yeah, I got this again. All right, next one is this Harry's blade. So I've been using the Gillette razor blade, and my friend Ashley, she told me that she used Harry's, is like better than the Gillette. So I literally just used that like a couple times, like the Gillette, but I don't know, I think I'm just gonna put one here upstairs and one in the basement. So this is gonna be the one in the basement. So this is I got the orange one because my husband has his own too, and he uses Gillette, and I don't want to mix it up. And yeah, that's why I got the color orange, so he knows it's mine, not his. What's the packaging? Let's see if I can open it. Okay. Ooh, it comes with extra blade over there. So it comes with this one, which is, I believe, once you're done shaving, you can clip right there. And I do have a razor holder in the shower, so I'll just like put it in the shower, which is really cute. And it's orange, and I can't wait to use this actually, because I think I'm gonna shave tomorrow because my hair It's getting a little bit longer, but they're not thick, they're just getting longer. All right, so next one is this PanOxyl acne foaming wash. So I do have had like a, how do you call that, like acne bumps on my back, you guys. Sometimes I have like 2 or 3 that I can feel that is on my back, and they said that this one is good for face, chest, and the back. But I'm just gonna be using this on my back when I take a shower. I'm gonna try it if it's gonna be good or not, because I do suffer from a back knee. Like I have like a couple in the back, and I try to exfoliate as much in the back, and I do have that like brush, like has like a long holder, and like I scrub it in. So yeah, for some reason I have like maybe 2 or 3 like back knee, like acne on my back. So I can't wait to use this. It says it will help you get rid of like the acne in the back, face, chest, or everything in the back as well. So yeah, I can't wait to use this. And this is very pricey. I don't know if I remember. I'm gonna put all the prices in the description box below if you guys are interested. All right, so next one here. Okay, so the next one is this Kristen as the purple conditioner. So I got the conditioner and the purple shampoo. I heard a lot of good things about the purple shampoo from this brand, and I can't wait to use them. I do have the Redken purple shampoo, and my friend Clarice also gave me more purple shampoo, but I'm gonna try this one out, and I'll let you guys know if it's good or not. Because if you guys haven't watched my video, I did get my hair like a balayage hair, from black to balayage, and I am going to, I don't know, for some reason it does not give the justice in the camera, but yeah, I'm loving my hair right now. And I've also used the line Olaplex, and my hair has been very great lately, and I don't know, I just love it. So I'm gonna give this a shot. The next one is gonna be this earrings from Target. It's a set, and I've been getting a lot of questions where I get my earrings, especially if I'm wearing these one. It's from Target. It looked like the dupe of Hailey Bieber's earrings that she always used on her pictures. But yeah, I saw this at Target like a couple months ago, and I've been using this ever since. And I got more because why not? Because I always ending up losing them. It's like sometimes they're in the other room, and then sometimes they're in my bag. And yeah, so I got more of these. So there's like small, medium, and look like large one. So, and they're only $6 a set. So if you guys want the gold earrings that look like Hailey Bieber's but more cheap, go ahead at your local Target, because they sell these in gold. I don't see this on silver though. That's the thing, I don't know. But yeah, this is really good, and I've been using it. Okay, so the next one is this Garnier Micellar water. Restock on my Micellar water. I still have the little bit left on my Garnier and the other product, La Roche product. But yeah, I'm just restocking on the Micellar water because I've been trying to stop using makeup wipes. But yeah, this has been really good. I like it. And this is the one, the hydrating one, all-in-one hydrating with rose water and glycerin. So that's that. Okay, next one is this e.l.f. matte putty primer in universal sheer. I haven't tried the universal sheer. I do have the regular putty primer, but I was watching Juicy Jazz, and she said that this is great as well, so I'm gonna give it a try. So yeah, this is white, but hopefully this is gonna be good, because I've been loving the regular the e.l.f. body primer, the regular ones. So hopefully this is, you know, great as well. Okay, so the next one is gonna be this Covergirl Trublend Undercover Concealer. I saw this Miss Jackie Aina rave about this. I'm like, you know what, I'm gonna give it a try. If Miss Jackie Aina loves it, I'm gonna give it a try. So I got the shade Golden Natural right here, Golden Natural. And yeah, I'm gonna put the price, like I said a lot of times, in the description box or in the screen. Okay, so the next one is this shirt, crop top shirt. I really like Target's basic shirt as well. I have the white and the black one, and when I saw that they have the brown one, I'm like, ooh, you know what, let me get it. And it's only $5. I got the large one because they don't have the medium. Yeah, so I got the large one. It's just plain brown crop top. So that's that. Okay, next one. So the next one is more scrub. Yeah, I got more scrub, and this is the Coco Colada. Yeah, Coco Colada from Tree Hut, and I love this scent as well. I last vlog, or last, I feel like it was August something or September something, I got more vitamin C and other scrub, and I stock again on my Coco Colada, which is I really love, and the lemon blueberry tart from Tree Hut Sugar Scrub. I love this line, you guys. The scrub is amazing. It'll give your body like very smooth if you keep using this. I love it. Like, I cannot say anything bad about this, which is amazing. This brand is amazing. Okay, so the next one is, so I got two more left here. This one I've been using. I've been using this for, I would say, 4 days now. So this is the Nature Made Vitamin E. So I saw this on TikTok again. I saw this on TikTok again, and she said she don't take these. So what she do is she'll, like, once you're done washing your face and all your skincare, like put toner, she said to poke a hole in this one and use this to put all over your face. And what I've been using is, I followed her. I didn't take this by mouth. So what I did is I kind of cut it after I wash it. I only use this at nighttime. So what I do is, after I wash my face and put a toner, I let it set the toner for like a minute, and then after that I'll put this all over my face. It's a little bit sticky and thick, so you have to you have to drag it all over your face. And then I put moisturizer on top after the vitamin E, and it will say it'll help you with the acne scarring. And I've been seeing like improvements of my skin, you guys, and it's gonna be like a lot of trials in my skincare routine, but yeah, I've been seeing like progress on my skin lately. So yeah, I've been using this for 4 times already. So every night I try to put this by my, how do you call it, by my bathroom when I'm using my facial. So I put this at night. Like, I'll just like cut it out and then put it all over my face. Okay, so last but not the least is I got the Shea Moisture Head to Toe Nourishing Hydration. This is the 100 extra virgin coconut oil, and I've been using this almost an everyday, guys. I could not stop using this one. Every day I put this all over my body. It'll just give me that nice looking, it's like your skin is like glowing, and then I put lotion on top of this one. So yeah, this has been like my favorite lately, the Shea Moisture. And I get the bigger one because why not? Like, I don't want to keep buying like the small version. I just went and got myself a bigger bottle. So that is it for this Target haul, you guys. I hope you like this haul and like this video, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And my giveaway is still ongoing. If you haven't watched my giveaway video, I'll leave the link somewhere here in the screen or in the description box below if you tried it. Just follow the rules because it's still going on. I'm still a couple hundreds away till we reach 2,000 subscribers. So make sure to like and keep subscribing, or even liking my videos, and be active, because just be active. And yeah, I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.